Welcome! In this video, we're going to break down SIP, that's short for Session Initiation Protocol. If you've ever used Zoom, Teams, or made a VoIP phone call, SIP has probably been working in the background. By the end of this video, you'll know what SIP is, how it works, and why it matters. SIP is a signaling protocol. That means its main job is to set up, manage, and end communication sessions. A session can be a phone call, a video chat, or even instant messaging. Think of SIP as the traffic cop that gets all the participants together, tells them where to connect, and makes sure everyone knows when the conversation is over. Here's a simple example. You pick up your VoIP phone and call a friend. SIP handles the signaling. It tells your friend's phone to start ringing. When your friend answers, SIP establishes the session. Once the call is active, SIP steps back and lets another protocol, usually RTP, the real-time transport protocol, handle the actual voice data. SIP isn't carrying your voice. It's handling the paperwork around your call. Specifically, SIP sets up the call by locating the other party, negotiates the call parameters, things like audio codecs and whether video will be used, modifies the call if something changes, like adding another participant, terminates the call when someone hangs up. SIP messages look a lot like email or HTTP because they're text-based. You'll see words like invite, AC, bye, register, and options. For example, an invite message is SIP's way of saying, "Hey, I want to start a call with you." A bye message tells the other side, "This call is over." Let's connect this to the real world. If you've ever registered a soft phone app on your computer or set up an IP desk phone, that registration step is SIP telling the server, "Here I am, I'm available at this IP address, and here's my extension number." Without SIP registration, the server wouldn't know where to send your calls. SIP isn't limited to phones. It can connect laptops, mobile devices, conference systems, and even applications in the cloud. This flexibility is one of the reasons SIP has become the foundation of modern communications. So, to recap, SIP is a signaling protocol. It doesn't carry your voice, but it handles all the details that make communication possible. It sets up the call, negotiates how it will work, makes changes mid-call if needed, and then tears everything down when you're finished. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly breakdowns of networking and VoIP concepts. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into SIP messages and show you a real example of a SIP invite in action. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.